Hello guys, I'm back with one more video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are able to fix your issue going through the steps. So I have this Chromebook CB5311. The issue is the touchpad doesn't work. So when you turn on this Chromebook, this error pops up. So searching for Bluetooth and UBS devices. Please connect a mouse or a keyboard. If you are using a Bluetooth device, please make sure it is ready to pair. So as you can see, UBS keyboard connected is check mark, so it means keyboard is working, but searching for mouse, so touchpad is not working. As you can see, I'll move the cursor to the touchpad, is not responding. The keyboard would work with the tab key. I can select the selection through the tab, but the touchpad doesn't work. So what we will do is, first thing we'll do is shut this Chromebook down. Going through the tab, select the shutdown, and the first thing we'll do is flip it over and we'll remove all the screw to fix this issue. There we go. Alright, so this is how the Chromebook looks like once you open up the cover. This is the battery for the Chromebook, and as you can see in the process, this broke off. It's very fragile, but you don't need to worry about it. You can just toss it out, throw it out. Let me zoom in a bit. There you go. As you can see, this is the cable that connects to the touchpad. As you can see, it's coming off, it's loose. So all we need to do is unplug it and plug it back in. But before that, I want to show you where is it connected, so you just get an idea. You don't need to take this off, but I just want to show you where the touchpad is. And sometime what happens, the touchpad, the other end of this cable is loose or unplugged also, or like a little bit loose. So first I'm going to take this battery out, and as you can see, this is the touchpad, this is the cable. Sometimes that comes off or gets a little bit loose, so you can just unplug and plug it back in. If the touchpad has an issue, you can always remove those screws and replace the touchpad with a new one. But currently this is the touchpad cable that's came off loose, so we'll fix that. So I'm just going to unplug it and gently plug it back in. There we go. So now we'll just reverse the process. We'll plug this battery in first, and then the screw on the back of the Chromebooks. So let's do that. Alright, let's turn it on and let's see if we get the same error as we used to, or is it fixed? Alright, as you can see, the cursor is moving through the touchpad, so the touchpad is now working. So that was the issue. So if you come across that error, all you need to do is unplug the touchpad cable and plug it back in, and that would take care of the issue. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, share my video, and I'll be back with more videos soon. Thank you.